In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield washer reservoir on your Toyota Camry. It's located on the passenger side front wheel well. Remove your hubcap using a pry bar. Just get it in there, slowly go around. And once it's unhooked, take it off. Remove your lug nuts using a 21mm socket. Remove your wheel. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove these bolts holding this splash shield on. Now we're going to use a trim tool and remove the push pins. I'm just going to remove it completely. You can let it dangle if you'd like. You don't need to remove it all completely if you don't want to. Now you can remove this fender liner if you want, or you can just pull it aside, and then you can access your washer reservoir from behind. Let's remove our connectors. Push in on that tab, pull it out. Do the same for this one. Now you can either remove this hose here and let this drain out slowly, or you can remove this whole pump. Let's remove our hose. We got to remove it anyways, even if you decide to drain it the other way. I'm just turning it with my pliers to free it up, and then we'll release it. Have something ready to catch the washer fluid. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to take out this nut at the very top. I'm looking up into the windshield washer reservoir all the way over by the bumper side. That's the hardest one to get to, which is why I went for it first. And then from there, we're going to take out this bolt to the right. Now we're going to get this bolt out. And our last bolt is over here. And we're going to take out this last bolt here. You want to keep a hand on this so it doesn't fall. You may have to take it away from that stud. Now we're going to remove it. Going to drop it down. Get it past the bumper. It's a little tight squeeze to get out. Now you're going to put the new one in, feed it up through that hole. Once you get up there, you're going to twist it. This one fits a little easier. make sure you get it all the way up before putting that stud through. There's 2 holes there. You want to make sure all your things line up accordingly. Once you're in, you can start putting your bolts through. Start your bolt in the one closest to the front of the car. And now we're going to go up above and start our nut on that stud. Once you get your nut started up there, I'm going to tighten it down. And now we're going to go further towards the back and tighten up that last one. Now we're going to plug in our connectors and put on our hose. This one goes on the pump, and your hose goes here. Push it on. There's no clamp or anything. Make sure you insert your hose in here. And now we're going to go above and fill up our washer fluid and test it. Take your cap off, put a funnel in, and you can put your washer fluid back in or put new stuff in if you have new gallons. Cap on. And now you're going to start the vehicle or just put the key on and use your squirters and make sure they work. If they do, you're good to go. If they don't, then make sure your hose is still attached. And make sure you connected your motor. I'm going to start with the push pins. Just make sure you have your splash shields correctly in place. And how they were overlapped was the one on the driver's side is below the one on the passenger side. Those 2 will hold everything in place. Now we're going to put this back. And put these back in place. I'm going to stop my bolt on this side first so everything's up and work my way around. Now you can snug those up. Put your wheel on. Start your lug nuts. Make sure you have the tapered side in. We're going to tighten these in a star-like pattern. I usually put the lower one on the bottom and I walk the rim on. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to torque our lug nuts to 76 foot-pounds. Line up your valve stem with the hubcap and slowly push it on using a rubber mallet. Go around the perimeter.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.